Stop buying expensive skincare products this 2026. I said stop buying expensive skincare products this 2026 simply because you want a glowing and brighter skin. You don't need to do that anymore this 2026 because I tried a simple home remedy for 7 days and they actually work, and that is why I am here to share that with you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 2 simple ingredients you can use at home that can help transform your skin. When I say transform your skin, this is what my skin looks like before, and this is what my skin looks like right now. As you can see, the skin is skinning, okay? So I'll be showing you 2 ingredients you can use to transform your skin at home to get a glowing and brighter skin. And the best part is you don't need to spend money. They are the things you already have in your kitchen. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. To prepare the treatment, get a plate. The first ingredient you will need is lemon. We are using lemon because lemon is packed with vitamin C, helping to brighten your skin and gently exfoliate dead cells on your skin for a better, fresher look. It can also help to reduce excess oil and improve the appearance of dark spots over time. So using lemon on your skin is very helpful. It helps a lot. So after that, you cut the lemon. Squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon into the spoon and pour it into the plate. Once that is done, the next thing you will need is honey. If you can find original honey, it will work faster, right? This is original honey. So you also need half tablespoon of original honey. We are using honey for this treatment because honey, on the other hand, is a natural moisturizer. It hydrates, soothes, and has antibacterial properties that can help keep your skin clear and healthy. So using honey and lemon together, they create a simple natural treatment for soft and glowing skin, which is very, very effective on your skin. It will help to give you that soft glow. It will help to give you a radiant skin. But have it in mind that lemon can be strong, so always do a patch test and don't forget your sunscreen. This is why this treatment is mostly used at night, because lemon is very strong due to its astringent properties, okay? So what do you do after preparing the treatment? After preparing the treatment, what you have to do is to wash your face, and once you're done washing your face, go ahead and get a cotton bud or a brush. Then go ahead and dip it into it. Use it on your face. Use it on your face. This thing is very effective. So after applying it on your face, you let it sit on your face for about 30 minutes. Once it dries up, you go ahead and wash your face. Then after washing your face, you apply your face moisturizer. This treatment is very effective. Try it at least 2 weeks to 3 weeks and you will begin to see results. The problem we have is that when we are trying DIYs, we want it to work faster, sharp, but it doesn't go that way because there's no chemical ingredient in it that can help hasten the effect. So you have to give it time. You have to be patient with it. Try it for at least 2 to 3 weeks and you'll begin to see your face looking healthier, looking, smoother, looking brighter, okay? So after applying it now, you wait for 30 minutes for it to dry up, and once it dries up, go ahead and wash it out. Then put your face moisturizer. This treatment, you have to try it 2 times in a week. 2 times in a week. For the questions that will be coming, I know that I'll be getting some questions like, can I use it on any other part of my body? Yes, you can use this on your elbow if you have dark elbow. You can use it on your knee. You can use it wherever you have dark spots or you feel like your skin is dull. You can use it on your body. It's not only on your face, but mainly if you want to, achieve a glowing face, glowing skin, apply it on your face and leave it for 30 minutes and wash it out. Then apply your face moisturizer. Trying this every 2 times in a week will help to transform your skin. Your skin will be glowing. In fact, this is what you need. You don't need expensive product. You don't need expensive skincare products to get a brighter and a glowing skin, okay? So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.